The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle 454 big block 4-speed is one of those muscle cars that still manages to stop people in their tracks, even decades after it first rolled off the assembly line. It's a piece of American automotive history, combining aggressive styling, a raw mechanical feel, and the kind of performance numbers that, for its time, were nothing short of staggering. This was a car designed for one thing above all else: making sure you knew exactly what was under the hood from the moment you turned the key. Let's start with the exterior. The 72 Chevelle carried over much of the styling from the previous year, but with some subtle changes. The grille was split by a thin horizontal bar, flanked by a pair of large quad headlights, giving it that unmistakable wide, low stance. The body lines were bold but clean, with muscular fenders that hinted at the power hiding beneath the sheet metal. This particular model, with the 454 big block option, often came dressed in bright, attention-grabbing colors, reds, blues, and blacks, with optional racing stripes running down the hood and trunk lid. Chrome bumpers, polished trim, and that Chevelle badging were the perfect final touches, all contributing to a look that's equal parts elegance and menace. From the side profile, the long hood and short rear deck gave it the classic muscle car proportions, while the slightly flared wheel arches made room for wider rubber, a nod to its performance-first nature. Step inside and you're met with an interior that's simple by today's standards, but charmingly purposeful. The dashboard is a broad, no-nonsense affair with clear, round gauges that give you the vital stats: speed, fuel, oil pressure, and tachometer front and center for those who opted for the performance package. Bucket seats were available and are highly sought after now, but even the standard bench seats offered plenty of comfort for cruising. Materials leaned more toward durable vinyl than luxury leather, but the fit and finish were surprisingly solid. The center console housed the iconic Hurst shifter for the 4-speed manual, its chrome handle just begging to be slammed from gear to gear. It's a driver's cockpit in the purest sense: no distracting screens, no electronic aids, just you, the road, and that massive V8 under the hood. Speaking of that V8, the 454 big block was the crown jewel of the Chevelle lineup in 1972. Rated at 270 horsepower in its LS5 configuration due to the switch to net horsepower ratings that year, real-world output felt far stronger than the numbers suggest. Torque was abundant, over 390 lb-ft, and it came on almost instantly. Mated to the 4-speed manual, the car delivered a raw, mechanical connection between driver and machine. Drop the clutch, mash the throttle, and the Chevelle lunged forward with a deep, chest-shaking roar from its dual exhaust. 0 to 60 times in the low 6-second range were possible with the right driver, and quarter-mile times could dip into the